Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we'll be going over the garlic powder survival kit. Before we get into that, I know today I said I was going to be uploading the big project, but a few things just took longer than expected, drying time, stuff like that I didn't take into consideration. I do apologize for that, but the big video will be uploaded Monday if everything goes to plan, which hopefully it does. Friday I also have a big video, so the next upload will be kind of a bigger video, kind of in my region, on a cool story. Not a cool story, but an important story. And yeah, hopefully you guys like that and check that out. But let's get into this. Here we have the Spice Islands garlic powder survival kit. Very simple garlic powder jar. And on top, we have our Heinz mustard packet for a little bit of a boost. We also have our navigation, which is our button compass. And for signaling, of course, we have the Acme tornado whistle. I say it every time I use this. Check out their website, look up Acme tornado whistle. These guys have great deals on cool different whistles. Very small, very big, very loud. Here we have a little pocket saw made out of a saw blade and some electrical tape. We also have a winter mint. And I couldn't add any cover to this, sadly. The closest thing I have to that is aluminum foil. I really did try to get a space blanket in there, but it just was not happening. If it did, it was not coming out without shattering it. Here we have our water containment bag. Some trash ties around it just to keep it more compact. We also have some water purification tablets to go along with that. And for cordage, we have our snare wire. Very simple. You can put shelters together, make some traps, even make a tool with it. For fire starting, we just have a simple cellophane bag that's been resealed with a striker and matches. The striker is on the opposing side, so we don't get an accidental spark when there's a little bit of friction. And for cutting, we have a very simple razor knife. Emergency orange, of course. And that is the kit, guys. Very simple kit. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, what you guys would change out, put in there yourselves. And yeah, have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys look forward to the future uploads. I know I am. Have a nice day, guys.